Hi friends, Miss H here. Man, it is really nice outside. You know what I like to do when it's nice outside? Blow bubbles. But today I want to show you a new fun way to blow bubbles by making a rainbow bubble snake. How does that sound? Super fun? Okay, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. Parents, because we need to find the following materials. You need like an old bowl, something that we could put, it's okay to put food coloring in, an old rag, that will also be thrown away, some dish soap, food coloring, I found those neon colors, they should make an awesome rainbow, a rubber band, a water bottle, some water. You will need an adult because we're gonna use scissors. And then I got my apron because I don't like to get messy. I also put down that paper because we're probably gonna make a mess. Okay, go get your stuff and meet me back here. Here we go. Got my apron on because I always make a mess. All right, we've got our bottle. We want to cut off the bottom piece. You have to leave enough room so you can wrap your towel around and secure the rubber band. So don't cut off too much, but you just want to cut off a little piece. Okay, so let's get our scissors. Make sure you have an adult with you, and let's start to cut it. Here we go. Okay. All right. There's mine. Cut off the bottom. I'm ready to go. I'm also going to remove the cap because this is the part I'm going to blow through here. You could try that. It's like a little instrument. Okay, so now I'm going to take my towel that I've cut. I cut it off I had a big face cloth and I just cut a piece of it because I don't need a lot. So now I'm going to put it over my bottle and secure it with a rubber band. I'm gonna go around twice because I want to really, oh, that's really crushing it. Listen, you know, it's art. You gotta do it, maybe try it twice. Let's see. Let me try that. There, I went a little lower and it made it not crush so much. There we go. The bottom of my bottle was a little stronger than the top. Okay, now my bottle is secure. You see how you can blow through it? Ooh, look at the condensation inside. It's from my wet breath. Corona. Okay, no, just kidding. Okay, now I'm gonna open my food coloring. Look at my colors in there. Let's name them together. Ready? Purple, green, blue, and pink. Oh, I'm gonna use them all. So let's take them all out. Okay. Maybe I should put gloves on. If you have gloves at home, because we've been using gloves so much, maybe put the gloves on. I'm daring today, so I'm not gonna put them on. Okay, so at the bottom of your rag, where the bottle is, start getting creative. Dabbing your food coloring. So there's 4 purples. Now I'm gonna go to the green. How many green? Let's do 2 greens. 3, why not? Yeah, it's exciting. Okay, blue. Here we go, blue. I'm gonna do a blue in the middle, maybe a streak of blue, yeah. And now I have pink. I'm gonna fill in my holes with pink. I really wanna make sure that I have it covered. You don't want holes in your bubble snake, right? I love pink and purple, so you want it saturated. Saturated means it's all covered. Oh, yeah, it's all in there. I'm gonna hold it down, shake it in there. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Don't put it down. Maybe stand it up. Oh, there we go, I'm standing it up. Now, in your bowl, add some water. I added some water to mine. This is an old bowl that I don't mind if it gets all yucky. And now I'm gonna add some soap. Ooh, nice generous portion. Because soap makes the bubbles. This is a solution. It's mixed together. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mix up our solution. This is like art and science, right? Okay. Oh ho ho, all right. Now the fun begins. Have your adult help you carry this outside, because if you spill it, then we don't have anything to make bubbles with. All right, so I'm gonna go outside. I'll meet you in a minute, okay? Take your bowl and your bubble snake maker and let's go outside. I'll see you there.
It's so windy today. Okay, so I've got my bottle and I've got my soapy solution. Here we go. We're gonna dip it in, get it wet. Here we go. Well, I'm gonna dip it again. How fun! Okay, here we go. Look at this one. Let's see if I can pick it up. Oh, it like twirls and swirls and it's blue and green. Ah! Yeah, I'm gonna get super messy, but you don't pick them up. Ooh, where's it get? Here we go. How fun is that? Okay, one more. It would be really good if you wore gloves, okay? All right, that's it for now. Have a great afternoon.